Hello, students. We all know that the series is a primary building block of pandas, which is capable of holding data of any type. It is a one-dimensional labeled array. And we know that list is also one-dimensional data type capable of holding any data type. As for example, here we have the list of integers which is storing the roll number of 5 students. So here we are initializing roll number of 5 students. It is in the form of a list and we are printing those roll number using print function. So you can see in these few lines of codes we are creating a list. Let us convert this list into a series using series methods. So here we have a series name roll number series. A list name roll number is being converted into this series using the series method. And we are printing using print function. So let us run our program. So here we have the list of roll numbers. As you can see, this is the original list. The list of roll numbers converted into a pandas series using series method is shown here. This series result shows two columns. The left column contains the index, even though we have not defined an index, but there are two columns in our output. The right column contains our data here, such as roll number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the data. Pandas create a default index and automatically assigned to the series starting with 0 going to that number which is the length of the data minus 1. As in this program you can see we have index 0 till 4. Now let us create a list of string. Similar to what we have done just now while creating roll number, here also we can create string. So now let me write few names. Let me take 4 names. And we are storing these names in a series named as name. So here we have the name of 4 students and all these are strings. So the series name here is name. Now let us print our series. So to print the series also we have to use the print function. Now let me run the program. So here we are getting the output. So here we have the list of numbers which is the original list, which are the roll number 1 till 5. And next we have the series of those roll numbers. And here we have the list of the names. As you can see, there are 2 columns. The left side is for indexed and the right side are the datas. Now let me show on how to call this series. So here we have the series name. Now let me create another series name as name series. So here I will not declare new names but will just call the previous name. So now you can see I did not mention any new name here, but I am calling the name given in line number 14. So this name will also be printed when we print in this line number 19. So now let us print the series by using the name series as parameters so that these names will be printed by calling the name from line number 14. So here we have the output. You can see now we have the list and then the series of numbers, then the list of strings and also this new series which is also the name of students. Here name of series are getting the name from line number 14. Here you can see Line number 18, we are calling the name which are being specified in line number 14. So these are the two possible ways for creating a list of strings. Right from line number 13 till 19 are for the strings. So that's all about creating a series using list. We shall meet again in the next video with another topic. Bye.